stand the heat. I have my helmet closed for the mic and I might suffocate. How y'all doing? I'm driving into Paula. Paula was in my last vlog. She's the one with the customized 883. So we're gonna go for a spin somewhere. Should be good because she's off and it's a beautiful day. We're getting a heat wave in Ireland and fuck me, it's intense. So the last video was me and Cody driving up to Dublin to meet Jacqui. I haven't actually edited that yet, but should be out by the time this one is out. I hate people pull in, like, are you letting me pass? Or are you just a really bad driver that you can't fucking drive around a corner? It annoys me. Jacqui was incredible. She wasn't what I was expecting at all. Like she's my height. Like, she's a small, soft-spoken English lady who's just a total badass. I got I bought her book when I was up there because she was signing it, and I knew I'd regret it if I didn't get it. That van is called Chubb. I just noticed that. We're gonna overtake the Chubb. Whee! Yeah, I bought her book when I was up there, and I'm making my way through, and oh, she's just so cool. She went backpacking for a few months after her divorce, and she met a guy while she was over there. And when she came back to England, he turned up on her doorstep, and he was like, "Come travel India with me." So she went over to India, bought a Royal Enfield, and spent the next 7 years travelling with him and on her own. How incredible is that? Imagine 7 years of travelling. Her stories are brilliant. But yeah, she was lovely. And then she brought me and Cody out to lunch and everything. It was really, really nice. So she was awesome. She's on Instagram and she has a website. If she's ever doing any talks near you, I 100% recommend going in to see her, because she's just so good. And she's one of those people where, like, at the end of our lunch, I felt like I'd made a friend. Like, oh my god, she's everything I want to be. I want to be her when I grow up. Joke, I'm never growing up. Michael got a Kevlar hoodie from XL Moto the other day, and oh, I'm just so jealous. This heat wave is killing me. Because all I have is leathers. Like, I wear a leather jacket, and then I have leather pants, but they don't fit me at the moment. The stupid heat wave. Either that or I'm just too tired to try and fucking shimmy them on. But man, can you imagine the butt sweat from wearing like leather pants? No, I'm not up for that. So I'm wearing my Go-Go Gear Kevlar leggings. And holy shit, man, they're so thick that it's just so damn hot all the time. So he won't let me take his hoodie and I can't afford to buy my own. And it sucks because I'm still unemployed. I have to dye my hair back on Saturday. My hair is red and orange at the moment, which is not really that conducive to getting a job. So I'm dyeing it back a normal colour on Saturday, so everyone just mourn the loss of my awesome hair. This is so sad. I've been doing an article up on fullthrottleireland.com/blog/basic motorbike maintenance with hyphens in between basic motorbike and maintenance. Shameless plug. I just wrote about all the tips that I do. I'm very lucky. My dad taught me a lot, and if there's ever anything that goes wrong with my bike, I go straight up to my dad's house. And if he can't do it, then I have an excellent mechanic who fixed Eeyore last week when she was sick. She's all better now though, guys. It's okay. We don't have to pray for her anymore. So like, I knew, you know what you should check before you go off on every ride and monthly checks and all that, but I met a couple of women biker groups, and before you inject the fucking stereotype that women don't know what they're doing, some of these women genuinely didn't. And they didn't know where to start, and they didn't know where to look, and it was annoying me, because I was like, girls, you have to be able to know this. You're getting on a machine. You can't just drive and drive and drive until it fucking breaks, and you don't know what to do. You need to have some basic understanding. And guys too, a lot of learner guys get it, because they're like, oh, boom, boom, bikes are cool, and then they drive them into the ground, and they're like, bikes are stupid, I nearly died, and it's like, well, dude, your chain is dragging on the fucking ground, so I don't know what you expected here, but, you know, fucking basic. So I wrote, like, it's a really basic guide. It's like, every week you need to check this, and this, every month you need to check this, and this, and please bring it to a fucking mechanic. Get it serviced. Like, you're sitting with a full tank of petrol between your legs. You know, shit goes wrong. So, get it checked. My rant's over. So yeah, I wrote a new article on that. If you have any tips to add to it, check it out, let me know. Like, any little hacks. Like, my favourite hack is when my dad taught me for my front brake. 5-disc brakes. On front and rear disc, and you tie a rubber band around your lever here, front of your throttle, and your throttle, like, so you tie a lever between two, make sure it's tight, so that there's pressure being put on your levers, so that your front brake is engaged, and just leave it like that overnight. and it'll slowly get out any air bubbles. And it's a good way to do it. Like, you can do it every few weeks, or if you notice that your lever, your brakes are being a bit weird, just try that, and it's super cheap. You don't have to go to Amazon and buy like a brake bleeding kit and play around with all that kind of shit. You've seen the video of me and Michael trying to bleed his brakes last time, and it literally took us like 3 hours or something. And then last night he robbed my rubber band to do it, and he got on board and he was like, oh, it worked. I was like, of course it works. So that's one trick that I do. If you know any more, let me know so I can tell the people. Is anyone going to assembly? I don't know if this video will be out after assembly probably. If you're going to assembly, I'm so jealous. Send me pictures, let me know. I need to get makeup, and I'm trying to decide if it's too hot to get off the bike. So I have to get off the bike, take off my gear, and get back on the bike, and go to Paula's and take off my gear as well. I don't know if I can handle that shit. I'm trying to make shorter vlogs. I really like watching really long videos, but I think I'm kind of the minority. Let me know, what's your ideal vlog length? Like, what do you want to watch? And then I'm going to start making monthly vlogs as well. So I guess I could just put in excerpts footage. Actually, that's a really good idea. The great thing about filming is when you have an idea, you're like, yes, I will remember this later because I've recorded it. Ooh, I'm getting a Jacqui system for the ER for my birthday. So fucking excited, even though it's 3 months away. I really, really want a Jacqui system, and I don't know if I talked about this before, but ERs are kind of hard bikes to get. Well, they're not really that hard. They're complicated to get parts for because they have 3 different runs. So they had a 2008 to 2011 run, a 2012 to 2014 run, I believe, for 2013 maybe. And then they have a 3rd one anyway. You have to specify what year you got your ER in. So you have to specify what year your ER is. So Acropovic don't make an exhaust system for my bike, but Jacqui do. And one of my friends has a Jacqui system, and it sounds amazing. So that's what I'm getting for my birthday because I'm poor and can't afford it myself. It's going to be incredible. I'm so excited to get it. If you have a Jacqui system, let me know if it's good or not. Send me a video of the sound. Hit me up on Instagram. Search at Full T Ireland. Now, Paula's house has a lot of fucking gravel, and I need all of my mental faculties to navigate this fucking gravel. So I'm gonna sign off for now. I might vlog a bit on the way home. I'll see. Hope you're all having a good day. And if you know of any cheap places, get Kevlar hoodies, hit me up, please, because I'm fucking sweating. That's a good way to end it. I'm fucking sweating.